James B. Lansing, who is the founder of JBL, has been around since the dawn of sound with motion pictures. And our founder went on to win an Academy Award for that. Since then, JBL has been deeply involved in all cinematic experiences for decades, and that led us to the birth of the JBL Synthesis brand in the early 90s, when Hollywood elite were looking for a much elevated experience in their home cinema presentations. JBL Synthesis is a complete solution that exists from the signal processing to the amplification to the loudspeakers, even to the room tuning itself. We use all of the same technologies that were used on the professional side, so our patented compression driver technology, our patented horns, all of the calibration and EQs that we do for the rooms when they're finally set and tuned. We brought all that to bear in the residential experience and really created something that was a whole nother level for the sound experience in a home. One of the things that makes JBL Synthesis different from anything else that's on the market is the fact that we have a collection of components that were designed and engineered to work together as a system right out of the gate. So it eliminates any of the mix and match confusion or trying to figure out what's going to give you the best performance. We've engineered that into the system. So the loudspeakers, the amplification, even the equalization that we do as we custom tune the room for the end user, that's all proprietary to our system, and it helps really achieve a much higher level of performance by executing all of the products at the exact level that they need to be to work together at optimum performance.